Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to do another fire alarm test, but it's going to be a very unique fire alarm test. I hooked up some new fire alarms to the system, and as you know, I have my System Sensor SPSR right here. I have that right here in my bedroom as usual, but there's a treat. There's two surprises I want to show you here. If we go on the porch, it's extremely cluttered out here, but I still chose to have a fire alarm out here anyways. Now in a public building, this will be a code violation, but since this is at home, it's not really a big deal. I have a speaker right over there. And yes, that's actually an EST integrity plate. I put a speaker behind that. I attached it to my fire alarm system. So essentially that's a fire alarm speaker right there. And then if we go down to my science room, we'll go down to my science room. In my science room, check this out. I have another speaker. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and turn on the fire alarm. We're going to give it a test. And I'm going to show you what it's going to sound like. So let's go ahead and get the fire alarm test started now. And I'll show you all the alarms going off.
Report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan. Attention please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan. Attention please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan. Attention please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan. Attention please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Evacuation plan.
So that is the fire alarm test. I really hope you enjoyed that. And I hope that you thought that was really cool. Have an awesome day, everyone.